In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Kling AI account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account set up using your Google login, and you'll be ready to explore the platform right away. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Kling AI. You're looking for the official site in the results. To make sure you're on the right page, check that the link points to the klingai.com domain and that your browser shows a secure connection with the padlock icon. Click the result labeled Kling AI Video Generator. This will take you to Kling AI's official landing page or app portal, where you can begin the sign-in process. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner for the sign-in button and click it. On the sign-in options screen, choose Sign In with Google. This is the quickest way to create your account because Kling AI will use your Google credentials to verify you. You won't be sharing your Google password with Kling AI. Instead, Google handles the authentication and only passes along basic details, like your name and email, with your permission. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider closing the browser afterwards so your Google session doesn't remain active. A Google account chooser window will appear. Select the Gmail account you want to use for Kling AI. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, this step may happen instantly and you'll move directly to the permission screen. Take a moment to review what Kling AI is requesting, typically your basic profile information and email address, so it can create your user profile. When you're comfortable, click Continue to grant access. This consent step is important because it connects your Google identity with your new Kling AI account and allows the platform to recognize you the next time you sign in. After you click Continue, you'll be redirected back to Kling AI automatically. In most cases, you'll land on the dashboard or home screen, which confirms your account has been created and you're signed in. If the page appears to stall, a quick refresh usually resolves it. From here, you can explore settings, update your profile details, and start using Kling AI's features with your new account. That's all there is to it. Search for Kling AI, open the official site, sign in with Google, select your Gmail account, and confirm with Continue. You're ready to go.